Sup, yo? This is a unboxing of the. You can see, I don't give a shit. So yeah, let's open this shit. Ugh. Oh shit. Keep it as steady as possible for y'all. Get this shit ready. Ugh. Ugh. Throw that away. Throw that away. You don't want to see the box. Front. Just pause if you want. Don't give a shit. Here's all the specs and all that shit too. Whoa. Yeah, just pause it. I don't give a shit. Other side, top. Bottom's not important. I open this piece of shit. Offside. Ah. Okay. Let's do this. Damn it. One hand. Success. Okay. Corsair. Hasn't been tampered with, so take the knife. Open. Warranty guide. Corsair, important safety information. And the thing itself. Chill. This nice thing here. A few zip ties. Don't really need that. Well, that's nice. They include a nice power cable. That's true. That's cool. The nice modular cables. And this is semi-modular power supply. So it's not fully modular. Whatever. You guys probably know that already. I tell you what, looking at this stupid unboxing, don't give a shit. Oh man. Oh yeah, that's skills. That's skills. Yeah. Put that away. Oh, that shit away. Bucks. But that's. Oh, wait. I'm gonna read this. I need my warranty. The last time my OCZ Mod Extreme Pro 600 watt broke, didn't have any warranty on that. So kind of threw it away. We gave it away. And I bought this. I picked it up at for $100, 100 euros, because I live in Belgium. 99. Here's some screws, some zip ties. Yeah. Okay, let's get a look at these. Nice power supply. Damn, it's nice. 120, 100. No, that's not 120. 140, 100. I don't know. 135. Say 135. Some. Ooh. Has some of this strings here. Yeah. Don't need that. The best of the box. The do not eat. Shit's good. Turn you to fucking Superman. Safety some. Wow, these are significantly longer than my OCZ cables. Well, I have extensions in my case, so I don't really give a shit. Whatever. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4 SATA connectors. 1, 2, 3, 4 Molex. Whatever. Don't give a shit. 8-pin. 22. Yeah, okay. It's a 8/4 pin. That's handy. You can click it together. And nice 24 pin. Just so you get an idea of it. 30cm ruler. It's way above that. So you have a lot of space. My knife. I'll get the shit. See what they have in the module cables. Open that. Should be some kind of latch or something. No. Oh shit, I did it the old school way. What? Damn it. Oh. Sorry. Oh, ruined everything. Tough son of a bitch plastic bag to open. Come on. Ah, screw this shit, I'll be back. Okay, I got it back, got it out. Still a tough son of a bitch plastic bag. So you got some Molex to floppy, yep. Some, what the hell is this? More SATA connectors, 4. More Molex connectors, also 4, yep. And you have the PCIe Express. You get 2 of these, that's handy. Oh, you also get 2 of these monster floppy shizzle thingies. That's handy, because I don't really use Molex anymore. And I believe these are 6+2. Yeah, okay. So it can handle 8-pin power supply, 8-pin, whatever the fuck it's called. You get 2 of them, so that's awesome. Let me get a better shot of everything. It's a mess in here. Okay. Oh shit, my knife is on that. Okay. That's everything. That's included in the box, besides the warranty manual and all the other shit. And yeah, looks pretty sweet. This is my first unboxing. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, so don't hate. Peace.